External Affairs Minister Dr. S. Jaishankar has said that diplomacy is the first line of defense and every society needs to be secured. He said that diplomacy played a great role in bringing peace to the northeast region. He said that the Indian diaspora living abroad are now confident that whenever required, India is prepared to help them. He was speaking at an interactive session in IIT Guwahati today. Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma accompanied the Union Minister at this juncture. Both the leaders also visited an exhibition that showcased the products of IIT Guwahati students.
Commerce, culture and capacity are the core objectives of the Asian confluence. Better connectivity is central to improving the ease of doing business and the ease of living, both key priorities of the Modi government.
Union Minister for Sports and Youth Affairs Anurag Singh